everyone. Today we are talking about arrays, and the two important ways to search through them are linear and binary. These are simple but powerful concepts and super common in coding interviews. First of all, let's see what is an array. So, array is just a list of items stored in order. So, it could be anything like numbers, letters, etc. Each item has a position called an index. So, index usually in most programming languages starts from 0. So, let us take a quick example. Consider we have an array. So, the array is 10, 20, 30, and 40. These are the elements in the array. So, if I start indexing with 0, so the index of 10 will be 0, 20 will be 1, 30 will be 2, and 40 will be 3. For example, if we're asked to find the position of 40, so the answer will be index 3. Or vice versa, if we're asked that what is the element in the position of index 3, that will be 40. Let's search for something inside an array. The first method we are using is linear search. So you check each item one by one until you find what you're looking for. It's simple and works on any list, even if it's not sorted. So let's take a quick example. We'll first create an array, then we'll add elements in it. Then we'll put the index. First is 0, then we have 1, 2, and 3. Then we'll add random elements like 8, 5, 4, 6. So let's consider we're searching for the element 6. So in linear search, what we do is we start from the index 0. That means we'll start searching from 0, then we'll jump on to 1, then 2, and then 3. And at the third index, you'll find the number 6. It doesn't work if the list is too long. You might have to check every single element. Now let's take a real life example. Consider you have 3 drawers in front of you, and one of them has your key in it. So let's consider that drawer 3 has your key in it. So what you'll do is you'll start by opening the first drawer, then the second, and then the third. And in the third drawer, you'll find your key. Now comes the smarter way, binary search. This only works on sorted arrays. It cuts the search space in half each time. So here's how it works. Let's create an array. In this array, we'll add 5 elements. We'll put an index number on it. And then we'll add sorted array elements, that is from ascending order. So in binary search, you look at the middlemost term. If that's the number you're looking for, you've got it. If the number is lesser, you search to the left, and if the number is greater, you search to the right. Repeat this until you find it or the list ends, much faster than checking each and every element. Now let's take another real life example. Let's say you're looking for a name in a guest list. If the list isn't sorted, you can go name by name. This is linear search. If the list is sorted alphabetically, you can jump straight to the middle and cut down your search. This is binary search. One is slow but flexible, the other one is fast but it requires sorting. Arrays are just ordered list. Linear search is where you search each element one by one. Binary search is where you split it down to the middle and then search for an element. If this made arrays and searching clearer for you, give it a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which topic you'd like to learn next. Maybe sorting or recursion. Thanks for watching.